Imagine a world where your team can seamlessly collaborate, no matter where they are. A world where video calls are crystal clear, phone lines are always reliable, and messages get delivered instantly. That world exists, and it's powered by a little something called RingCentral. But with so many communication platforms out there, is RingCentral the right fit for you? Buckle up, because in this video we're diving deep into what RingCentral does best, and who it serves most effectively. First things first, let's get on the same page. RingCentral isn't your average phone system. It's a cloud-based unified communications as a service, UCaaS, platform. In simpler terms, it's an all-in-one hub that integrates your calls, texts, video meetings, and even team messaging, all accessible from any device, anywhere. Sounds pretty neat, right? But the real question is, who is RingCentral designed to empower the most? Remote teams rejoice. If your company thrives on a scattered workforce, RingCentral might be your saving grace. With its remote-friendly features, you can kiss goodbye to geographical limitations. Team members across the globe can connect with a simple click, fostering a collaborative spirit that transcends borders. Picture this. Your marketing team in California brainstorms a new campaign with the design team in New York, all through a crystal-clear video conference. Meanwhile, the sales team in London uses RingCentral's mobile app to close a deal with a client on the go. Suddenly, distance becomes irrelevant, and productivity skyrockets. Beyond borders, beyond limits. But RingCentral's magic extends far beyond video calls. The platform boasts a robust suite of features specifically designed to streamline communication for remote teams. Here are just a few highlights. Seamless call forwarding. Never miss a call again. RingCentral seamlessly forwards calls to your mobile phone, ensuring you're always reachable, even if you're stepping away from your desk. Unified messaging. Stop toggling between apps. RingCentral brings all your messages, texts, voicemails, and even faxes into a single, easy-to-manage inbox. Collaboration tools. Foster teamwork with features like file sharing, task management, and real-time chat, all within the RingCentral platform. This unified approach keeps everyone on the same page, eliminates communication silos, and empowers remote teams to function like a well-oiled machine. The scalability advantage. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Is RingCentral just for remote teams? Absolutely not. The beauty of this platform lies in its scalability. Whether you're a one-person startup or a bustling enterprise, RingCentral has a plan that fits your needs. For small businesses, RingCentral offers a simple, user-friendly interface that gets you up and running in no time. As your company grows, the platform scales with you, adding features and functionalities to meet your evolving communication demands. This adaptability makes RingCentral a future-proof solution. You won't have to worry about outgrowing your communication system as your business flourishes. Beyond the basics, unveiling RingCentral's powerhouse features. So far, we've covered the core functionalities that make RingCentral a game-changer for remote teams and businesses of all sizes. But there's more to this story. RingCentral boasts a treasure trove of advanced features designed to take communication to the next level. Here's a taste of what you can expect. AI-powered voicemail transcription. Never waste time deciphering voicemails again. RingCentral transcribes them for you, allowing you to quickly scan the text and respond efficiently. Real-time analytics. Gain valuable insights into your team's communication patterns. Identify trends, optimize workflows, and make data-driven decisions to improve communication effectiveness. Advanced integrations. Connect RingCentral seamlessly with your favorite business tools like Salesforce, Zendesk, and Microsoft 365. This streamlines your workflow and eliminates the need for context switching between different platforms. These features are just a glimpse into the comprehensive toolkit RingCentral provides. From AI-powered intelligence to powerful integrations, RingCentral equips businesses with the tools they need to thrive in today's dynamic communication landscape. Is RingCentral right for you? So, we've explored what RingCentral does best. But is it the right choice for your business? Here's a quick recap. RingCentral is ideal for businesses that want to simplify communication and streamline workflows with an all-in-one platform. have remote or hybrid workforces and need a reliable solution for staying connected. Prioritize high-quality calls and feature-rich video conferencing. Are looking for a scalable solution that can grow with their business. Value robust security features to protect their communication data. If you check off most of these boxes, then RingCentral is definitely worth considering. It can be a game changer for your communication efficiency and team collaboration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,